Today was the day Elena had been waiting for all year. Her 19th birthday, and she was sure Bandy had something special planned. She decided to set a cozy scene on the balcony, wanting everything to be perfect for when he arrived. Every sound from the hallway made her heart skip a beat. She could already imagine the look of surprise and love on Bandy's face. When Bandy finally arrived, he wasn't carrying flowers or a gift. His eyes were glued to his phone. "Hi, Bandy. I'm so glad you're here," she said, her voice filled with a cheerfulness she hoped would be contagious. Even his hug felt different today, short, preoccupied, and cold. The silence was heavy, broken only by the repetitive tapping of Bandy's fingers on the glass screen. She tried to nudge his memory, hoping the cake would say what she didn't want to have to voice aloud. Another work email, another notification. On this day, they were more important than her. The realization began to sink in. He didn't remember. He had forgotten the one day she cared about most. She tried to talk about their last year together, searching for any spark of recognition in his eyes. "Not really," he muttered. "I've had a really long day at the office, Elena." The candle remained unlit, a symbol of a celebration that never truly started. The evening air was turning cold, but the chill inside her heart was much worse. "Bandy, do you know what day it is?" He saw the date on his screen. He saw the Elena's birthday reminder he had forgotten to acknowledge. "Oh, right. Happy birthday," he said flatly. "But look, I really have to take this call. It's the boss." He walked away from her, and in that moment, she had never felt further from him. The birthday she had dreamed of was ending in silence and a cold breeze. As the light faded, Elena realized that some gifts can't be bought, and some things, like a simple "I remember," are the only things that truly matter. Just as the last light of her birthday faded, a familiar sound broke the silence. She had given up hope, but there he was, standing in the shadows of the doorway. He hadn't forgotten. He had been fighting the world all day just to get to her. He explained the broken car, the missed trains, and the frantic run across the city. The anger and sadness began to melt away, replaced by the warmth of his presence. It wasn't a grand party, but in the glow of that single candle, it was everything she needed. She didn't wish for gifts or parties. She wished for moments like this to last forever. With one breath, the sadness of the day vanished into the dark. The best part of her birthday wasn't the day itself, but the person who refused to let it end in tears. And so, Elena's 19th birthday ended not with a sob, but with a promise of many more beautiful nights to come.